Hello, how are you? I am Burke, and you're watching Road Odyssey. Hey, hello, how are you? Hope y'all are having a fantastic day. Please subscribe down below if you haven't already. Very much appreciate it. And thanks to everybody who have already subscribed. Y'all are wonderful. And as you watch the video, comment below on anything that you think about. So, of course, this show, well, first off, yes, I'm hot and sweaty and gross because I've been outside, washed the car, noodled around with some work, and here's what I'm working on. Here's my project right here that I'm working on. Got the scaffold up. You can see I've got a new piece right up there along the edge. So I've got to get up there and rebuild the eave a little bit. Get the boards up. Got some brackets that I've made for putting up some new guttering. Like there's a piece up there that I'm going to be fitting in. And so this is, of course, on the Paris, Texas Harley Davidson truck, car, motorcycle show, cruising actually. And it was very nice. Thank you very much to Larry for organizing this thing, and to Shelbi for all the support and activities that she embedded into getting this thing done, and to the owner, of course, for opening up his shop to all of us crazy people. So met some really nice people who were already fairly aware of all the back roads that I take when I do my cruises. They were wonderful, and I hope very much that they join in on some of the cruises I've got coming up. Enjoyed talking to Becky from Oak Cliff, biker. And she was very nice. Talked to another gentleman, another biker. He was cool. And just talk. One thing I can do is talk. And speaking of that, well, I was going to say let's go ahead and get into the video. But first off, you're going to see Larry's 4 cars. Drag, Viper, looks like a GT40, but it's a custom built car. Or almost like a Ferrari, and his Rambler that he bought from a kid. It had gotten sideswiped by a deer, which is very sad, but it's a fantastic car. So got to see it, and now we can get into the video. The next car up is not a Ford GT40, nor is it a Ferrari 488 of any type, nor is it a Lotus Evora. Before leaving the show, I had kept looking over at this white Mustang, thought I'd go over and check it out. And just before I did, a couple of other 370Zs popped up. They were really good looking. Talked to these folks, they were super nice, and just wanted to share them with you. And thank you so much again to Harley Davidson of Paris, Texas. Alright, well thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe down below if you haven't already, and give me any comments as to anything that you thought about during this video. And it was pretty cool. Had a good time. Hope you enjoyed my video. And be safe out there. Be nice and empathetic to other people on the road. Everybody has a life, thoughts and feelings, and situations going on for themselves as well. Please be nice. And with that, y'all have a great day. I will see you later. Bye.